The threaded back stitch is a decorative variation of the back stitch. It is a lovely one to create lacy effect. Begin by making a row of the back stitch. Try to keep the stitches as consistent as you can. Now bring out a thread, preferably of another color. Start from one end of the backstitch row. Start passing the needle under each stitch in a meandering manner. Go under the stitches from the top and the bottom alternately. Let me know if you like this stitch. I'm Sarah from Sarah's Hand Embroidery Tutorials. Thank you for watching.